By the end of the day, that man hit like 2,500 on the trade. And guess where I was at? I didn't even enter the trade. I didn't enter the trade. We going full margin. I'm kidding. Don't go full margin. To be a great trader, I'm not telling you you're going to be the best trader, right? You got to have plan, bro. You can't just blindly jump in. Because at first, my first month when I did the update, I was learning the system while I was still trading. So it's like today I'll learn this, and then tomorrow I jump in and try to implement that without knowing the next step. You feel me? So in order to be a great trader, you got to put in some chart time. You got to know your system front and back. Front to back, front and back. I don't know how they say it. So I have my plan in front of me, right? You got to have your plan. I'm only trading 9:30 Eastern. I don't know why I just said it like that. Eastern to 11. You feel me? That's like, what? Bro, my brain just fried. But yeah, it's less than 2 hours on the chart. I do my top-down analysis. I check the news, plan, entry, and exit. I'm only trading Nas. What I call it, Nas? I call it Nas 100. You know what I mean? And then I'm trying to add YM, but US 30. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, gotta have your plan. It's more detailed, but I'm just not gonna read all things because it has something to do with my strategy. My system. Well, if you trade ICT, BCT, SMC, you gotta have your own system plan. Follow it. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't go on a chart blind, bro. You go on a chart blind, you're gonna get smacked. You gotta know market structure, bro. You don't know market structure, you gonna die on a chart because you don't know what you're looking at. Even retracement, fair value gap people, they still follow structure. They gotta have some type of structure, bro. You know what I mean? And guess what you trade? You trade in market. You gotta know market structure. Boom. I say that would be the number one thing. Get rid of fear. Number two, fear, bro. My first month, bro, I was sketched out, bro. There'll be like trades I analyze, bro. I even tell my mentor, like, yo, this what I'm looking at. Boom, boom, boom. By the end of the day, this man hit like 2,500 on the trade. And guess where I was at? I didn't even enter the trade. I didn't enter the trade because I still wasn't sure. Trust your system. You gotta trust your system, front and back, front to back, front and back. Trust your system. I'll say that's number two. You came this far, bro. What they say? If you think you can't do it, you right. If you think you could do it, you right. So where you want to be at? What side of the damn mountain you want to be on? You dig? You got to pick. Feel me? Outside of that, I feel like journaling, number 4, journaling will help a lot. Once I start journaling, I realize like there's a setup that I always see. And once I start seeing that, I get familiar with it. Next time I see it, I ain't going to be like, dang, I'm not too sure. Nah, cuz we going full margin. I'm kidding. Don't go full margin. But I'm saying, I'm going to trust it. You feel me? So journaling. That should be like high rank on your, what you need to like get familiar with. You know what I mean? But as you see, dog, these losses are starting to get smaller and smaller. You dig? I did a 3-piece today just because I did some meathead. He be my mentor be saying, doing some meathead stuff. You feel me? I don't even know what meathead mean, bro. But yeah, I'll say for now that's about it. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I start doing it weekly. I ain't gonna wait a whole month, bro. Weekly, I'm gonna start giving y'all updates, and we gonna kill it. Remember, man. Ram set boy, recommend it. Let's get it.